Such a good big sister, Maya. Yeah. Should we bring him out? Okay. Okay. Well, would you hold the poo when you got him? And then Mommy will take him out. You want to hold him in your hand? Wow. Maybe Grandma can help you do that. Oh, it's so exciting, hey?
What a nice tummy baby.
I know his hands are covered up, so they don't get cold. Here, maybe Grandma can lift him out.
That's baby Caleb.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't he a nice baby? He looks just like you, Maya.
Give him a little hug.
Oh,
Oh, the kid.
what a nice kiss, honey. Yes. What a nice tummy baby. Hello, Caleb. Hello.
Oh, his room.
In his room. You think he needs to go in his room? Mm-hmm. Shall we take him into his room and take his jacket off?
Coffee. First one.
You can help. Okay, let's take him in. Let's go. Into his room. Okay, let's go. We'll take Tummy Baby into his room. His name is Caleb. Yeah, this is your honey hat. Oh, yes. We'll put him here. Okay. Yeah.
You know where the blankies are, don't you?
I'm going to wear this for another week. Oh, what a cute little boy.
Oh, what a big helper, Maya. You found a blankie for him.
Why don't you go get your little stool?
I'll hold the blanket for you.
What a big boy. Oh, he's just beautiful.
There you go, Maya.
There, we'll move this. There we go.
Good. Can you put the blankie on? Mommy will help. Can you help me? There. What a nice big sister, Maya. You brought him his own blankie. What a good girl.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Do you like him? Yeah. You want to give him another kiss? You're going to help. I know you're going to be a big help. Oh, you need someone to Yeah, there's some cute clothes there for him.
What's his name, Maya?
You tell Daddy what yeah, Ba and Maya bought some clothes for Caleb.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a nice one.
Yeah, that's for Caleb. And there's his socks.
Maya, can you say his name?
You tell Daddy Caleb.
Very good.
Good work, Maya. Mhm.
Oh, some little sockies.
Mhm.
Aren't those cute?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Those will barely fit on his feet.
Mhm.
Yeah, I
Can
know.
you tell Daddy Caleb.
Hey,
Very good.
very good.
Good work. Mhm. Yeah, that's Caleb. Mhm. He's such a nice baby. Is that your brother? Oh, very good. That's nice, honey. Oh, did he wake up?
He's stretching.
Oh. Oh. Mhm. Mhm.